Salam friendships! So in this video, I will show you how I turned store-bought cake into a simple wedding cake. So ito yung binili ni client. Mas okay kasi konti lang yung i-scrape ko na color and hindi dark ang icing, so madaling i-cover. Good thing meron akong ibang stock here like this cake board. First, in-scrape ko muna yung gilid ng cake para madali kong mai-transfer. Struggle din ako sa part na to kasi super soft nung cake, chiffon kasi siya. Yung isang cake, hindi ko na tinanggal yung colored icing sa ibabaw kasi papatungan din. Pero yung sa top, in-scrape ko para magpantay kasi papatungan pa siya ng isang tier. May dalawang 2/8" cake to. First, niremove ko na yung mga colored icing sa sides and top. So while doing this, I'll just tell you the backstory. Bakit hindi ako nag-bake ng cake? So one of my clients asked me if I can make a wedding cake. Not enough yung time, so she said she'll buy cakes na lang and i-customize ko na lang. I told her na I'll try kung anong magagawa ko kasi limited lang yung materials ko pang design since super rush. After removing the colored icing, nilagyan ko siya ng dowel as support kasi may upper tier pa siya. At the same time, medyo malambot yung cake, baka bumagsak or mag-slide. Ito nga pala yung gamit ko na pliers pang cut. Sa front talaga yung blades niya, best for cutting dowels. Medyo nahirapan akong pakinisin to kasi if I'm not mistaken, buttercream ang gamit nila. Since it's so hot and humid ang weather natin ngayon, madali siyang lumambot or mag-melt. So I really tried na smooth siya kasi para hindi bumpy pag pinatong ko na yung nude icing. This is the top tier naman, 6 inches siya, so same process lang din, ni-remove ko lang yung mga colored icing, then ipapatong ko na sa bottom tier natin. So ganito siya after ilagay yung top tier. This is the icing na ilalagay ko. To achieve the nude color, 1 drop of yellow, 2 drops of brown. If not satisfied pa kayo sa shade, little by little lang adjustment. Kasi, mahirap na rin habulin pag nag-dark na. I mentioned earlier na nahirapan ako mag-smooth ng cake. Same in applying the icing kasi sumasama yung buttercream kasi it's so soft. In-adjust ko na lang yung icing consistency para mas spreadable siya. Kasi pag firm, sasama talagang yung buttercream. This is the first time nga pala na pinagpatong ko muna yung cake bago ko i-cover, kaya tumagal din ako kasi mas sanay ako na i-cover ko muna yung mga cakes before ko i-assemble. So this is how it looks like after I covered the cake. Now it's time to put the designs and embellishments. Buti na lang I still have gold ball toppers from my last cake orders and also yung fan topper. Yung flowers naman from Saudi sent by my sister-in-law kasi she told me na baka magamit sa cakes. True enough, nagamit ko nga and it's for Islamic wedding. Alhamdulillah, everything has a reason talaga. This is the cake without the customized topper kasi hindi pa ako nakakagawa ng time na yan. I just did the customized cake topper using my cutter and this is the final look of the cake. I decided na ilagay na lang sa baba yung parang leaf design kasi hindi mabasa yung name sa topper pag andun siya sa taas. I hope happy si client kasi nagawa ng paraan yung cake. Follow for more DIY tips. Shukran for watching!